What's going on, guys? And welcome back to the channel. So we got everybody here. We got Kinsley, camera, Tex, and Brantley's in the room. But as promised, we are going to do a video on replacing the pull cord. And I'm not sure how this is going to go, but we're going to try it right here in the kitchen. First off, this was our original Briggs and Stratton pull cord. And you guys can see it's like really old, dingy. It was bound to tear. Anyway, it was fraying to begin with. So we did pick up. If you give it to me, I'll untangle it. Chocolate milk solves everything, right? What in the freak did you do here, girlfriend? Oh, I think I just made it 40 times worse. Whoops. Alrighty guys, so anyway, this is our housing from our 5.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton. And as you can see, right inside here is where the knot is from the previous pull cord, and there's some fraying that, where did that piece go to? There's some fraying right up there that is still left. So let's get to working on it. So while my wife attempts to untangle the slinky, I'm gonna try to get this little knot that was in here out. So you gotta make that a little bit tighter. We're gonna try to get this little knot out, because if we don't get that out, then we're not getting anywhere. No, it was actually really easy. It's already out. It's in my hand right now. Honestly, I thought I was gonna fight with it for quite a while.
Same. That's why I asked for it.
So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna compare this little piece to our old rope and the new rope, put them side by side. So our new line is actually a lot longer than our other line, which is perfectly okay because it gives us a little bit of room for forgiveness. Ultimately, I'm thinking about reusing the Briggs and Stratton handle instead of the new handle. So, I guess now it's just a matter of figuring out how the hell to get this out of here. So let's pull in the knot that's inside here. If we can get it to grab. And now we're just going to snip this and then pull the old line completely through. Just one more little size comparison. We have plenty of string. Little bit of an update. We started the feeding process of putting it in through the hole. So we're going to feed it through that hole, get it through that little circle right in through there, pull it through just enough that we can get a knot tied inside there, but there is tension build up in this line, so I'm holding it down right now on this wheel, and if I let go of this, it's going to spin like crazy. We do need the tension though when we put it back in. Alright, so we need to get this pulled down as far as we can. We ended up burning the tip, so obviously pay attention whenever you're using any type of fire, but we might not be able to get away with that double knot thing, because I think that has to go down like almost flush, being honest. But if we run into an issue, we'll run with this for right now, and if we run into an issue, then we'll figure it out. Bobby, this is for your go-kart, bud. Yeah. To answer any questions, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, so we're just like trying to figure this out as we go. So can you feed?
You keep handing me it, but not handing it.
Burn the tip of that. We'll feed it through, then burn the tip of it. This is like always fun to work on. My thumb is like locked from sitting there holding this. Holy crap.
Ow.
It's always fun whenever you're working with your spouse, trying to like accomplish something together. Always a blast.
I'm not doing anything.
Alright. Feed it through the Briggs and Stratton.
For your dad's here.
Alright. Feed it
This
through.
way?
Yep. Come in. Same thing as the other one. We're gonna put a knot at the top of the handle. We are reusing the old Briggs and Stratton handle instead of using this big thing. Hey, there's Dad that bought the NASCAR truck in yesterday's video. So we think we have all of this squared away, right measurements, even though we didn't measure, right?
No, we didn't.
But
Wow.
we'll see how this works here in just a second once she gets the knot done, and we go from there. You're pulling line out.
Yeah, I know.
We don't want to pull line out.
I need line to time it out. I'm gonna put it in, solder it.
The NASCAR might run soon, really soon. Maybe today,
Ta-da.
possibly today.
The motorcycle will be done on Tuesday.
That's right, I did show you guys the motorcycle. She took the gas tank off of the motorcycle and we pulled the spark plug, and the spark plug was shot. So we might try to get both of those things running. She achieved, but I could not. Got the slinky undone. All right, let's see if we were successful and can get this damn thing running. Obviously, pulling the body off, which is currently unbolted, so this should be quick and easy. So, it actually started up on the third pull without any type of starter fluid, but my dumbass forgot to hook up the throttle cable back to that housing, so now I gotta figure out what size I need to put that back on. Well guys, we're gonna fire it up, and I'm just gonna grab a rock to prop you guys up on, or a brick. Brick works. And we'll see if it even makes it through my yard. You son of a bitch. Ha! Fucking great. Honey!
You would think this would be the easiest part, right? Nope. Hope this lighter is about out of fuel. Run, bitch!
Choke was still on, let it go. She's gonna get stuck. Watch the dog lead! Told you we get stuck. There's a car behind you. Oh, man. Anyway, it is exciting to see that the NASKART is officially running now. I know it wasn't too extremely descriptive when it came to changing out that pull cord, but it's very, very simple. The only issue that we had was when my wife tied the knot, she actually didn't put the inner piece of the Briggs and Stratton handle, where you actually feed it through the bottom handle, then feed it through the top portion, and then knot it up there. She did not do that. So when I went to go pull on it, it just snapped off. So we ended up putting the new handle that came from Lowe's, the 598 handle. We just ended up putting that on, fired it up. My wife just jumped on it and started going through the yard, got it stuck. I want you guys to comment down below. Do you guys want me to do like a top speed run? One not only going up the road, which has a little bit of an incline, so that means coming down the road, we'll pick up a little bit more speed. Like I said, I'm thinking we stay between like 20, 25. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below for what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.